Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to make your Wells Fargo credit card payment. Open the website, then sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Transfer and Pay. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Pay WF accounts. Click on Pay WF accounts. Now you have to enter the required information. First, select the Transfer from Account. After that, select the Transfer to Account or the credit card account for which you're going to make the payment. Then choose the frequency, as well as the transfer date. And lastly, select the amount, whether the total amount due or other amount. After entering the required information, click on Continue. Now you have to review the payment details. Once you've reviewed the details and everything looks good, click on Submit. Now you will see a confirmation message saying that your transaction has been made. That's how you make your Wells Fargo credit card payment. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.